DJT stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments and my exact play. Looking at Trump Media, we're sitting at approximately $28.70. Looking at this market is you see clearly that the only case in which I'd approach this from like a bullish lens or whatever is if I see a double break above like a 2-hour range. And now there's arguments to be made and we have a new 2-hour range, but this never met the pullback rule, which is super important, and this is still what's holding the price down. So if I'm not just going to randomly buy here, but if the price gives a break above here, goes down and goes up again, which then that's classified as a double break, then only then I'd consider something bullish. Anything else that's not this is just pure like fluff and noise for me. So sticking to the framework and the strategy. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one.